Welcome back to the training center. And in this video, we are going to talk about how to set up your upsell page. Now, an upsell is an additional product that complements the original product sold and adds more value to the customer for an additional fee. Now, if you've ever said yes to the question, do you want fries with that? Then you have, in fact, been upsold. It works like this. First, the customer buys the main product from your original sales page. Then, after they filled out the order form and purchase your product, instead of landing on the thank you page, they go straight to the upsell sales page. If they decide they want your upsell, great. And if not, they simply click on a link that says, no thanks, I'm not interested in this offer. And then depending on whether you have multiple upsells, they will then be sent to the next upsell or to the main product thank you page. And with that, let's get into how to actually set up your upsell page. Okay, so the first thing we have to do is just simply click this button right here. It says plus upsell. Great. So the name of my first upsell is going to be called $1 Million Club. So just click create. Awesome. Now it says open $1 Million Club, upsell $1 Million Club. Just click on this to open it up. Great. Now here I am at the sales page for my first upsell. Okay, great. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to switch out this opening headline here, right? Now you guys remember how to do this. Anytime it is green over top of this, right? That means I can edit this, okay? So it looks almost identical to the original sales page. So I'm just going to fill out this information here. Make the font nice and big. Change it to blue to keep it consistent with my other parts, my original sales page, right? Let's change it to heading style. Okay, great. Let's change this, make it a little bit bigger, maybe not that big. Okay, great. Can make it blue as well. Center align it. Let's make sure we do that with this as well. Save changes. Perfect. Okay, so this is what it'll look like. Now, if you guys recall how to upload a sales video from YouTube, let's get into that, right? Just as a review, it's the same procedure as it is in the original sales page, but we'll go over it one more time. So go to upload. Okay, upload file. Okay, great. Okay, where's my VSL? Perfect. Okay, now we're uploading. Now I'm going to skip ahead to after it's done processing. Okay, my video is done processing, and now I can publish it. Publish. Awesome. Okay, so now I just go to my video. I'm just going to pause it. Great. Now remember how to share this. Okay, so we scroll down, we click share, embed, okay, show more, right? So make sure these are all unchecked, okay? We don't want people to watch suggested videos when the video finishes. We don't want to show player controls, so we want to make sure all of these are checked off. And finally, we will take this code right here, copy it. Let's make sure we get all of it. Copy it. Go back to the builder. Click on this. Paste it. Save changes. And there it is. Now, what we got to make sure we do is make sure this is checked off, okay? And then also our autoplay is checked on. So the first thing that happens when they land on this is the video will start playing. Now I'm just going to go ahead and fill in some of this information, right? Like just how I showed you in the original sales page, right? So background, very easy. Okay. Okay, so I went ahead and finished my upsell sales page here, right? So just a few features. I just put my contact information in, made a little synopsis of the offer, and now that that is done, I can take a look at the preview of this. Great, so this is what my upsell sales page, at least my first one, will look like. Looks good. Great. Get out of that. Okay, so now I gotta work on my product page. And this, again, works as the same exact way as this page right here, the one I'm pointing to with my cursor, your original product page. And we'll just walk through this really quickly. Very much operates the same way. So we're just going to write this in here. Great. Okay. Save it. Okay. We don't need this. You can put one there. I'm going to delete it. Great. Now, remember in the last video, the last product video, we talked about uploading our video from Wistia. So let's go through how to do that again. Okay, here I am at Wistia. It's a free account. You just give them your email and you create a username and password. It's free to use, so definitely a great resource, Wistia is. So I'm just going to create a new project. Okay. Let's title this $1 Million Club. Save it. Then let's upload our video here. Okay. And here we are. Perfect. Okay, so it's uploading. This should take just a few minutes, so I'll skip ahead. Okay, my video is now uploaded. Great, so we just click on it. Video actions, embed and share. Inline embed, not these guys, but this one. Simply copy it, and we paste it into the builder. Save changes. Okay, so I'm on my product page. This is my product page. Great. We can show video controls, not a big deal. We want them to be able to scroll through if needed. Now this part of my product doesn't have a actual ebook or anything like that, so we don't need to put anything here, but if you did, right, you just simply click on this and you would choose the file from your computer. Okay, now if you wanted to create an additional upsell, right, so here's our original one, okay, Upsell $1 Million Club. If you wanted to create an additional one, you just click on Upsell and you type it in here and you follow the same exact procedure that I just showed you. No big deal. Now, one thing I really want to touch on here, guys, is the way this kind of works, okay? So when someone goes to your sales page, buys your product, and then if you have an upsell page, they will get sent to the sales video, right? And if they don't want your product, nothing wrong with that, they will just click on no thanks, not interested in this offer, right? And it will directly send them to your original product thank you page right here. And that way they won't be confused as, okay, so I don't want this, but how do I get my login details for the product that I did buy? So that's really important, and that's something that we should be aware of. And that is pretty much it for this video for the upsell pages, and I will see you on the next video.